Content creation is so time-consuming and it takes so much effort, brain power, creative energy. It can be such a pain, but it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to plan 4 weeks of content in just 5 minutes using ChatGPT. So let's set the timer and let's dive in. Step 1, we need to start off by getting clear on a few things before we start creating content. Number 1, what platform are we creating content for? Number 2, who's our target audience? Is it business owners, busy moms, college students? Number 3, how does our account provide value? Does it solve a specific problem for them, teach them something, entertain them, make them laugh? Does it inspire them? Basically, what type of content do we want to post? Number 4, how often do we want to post? Number 5, what format of content do we want to post? Number 6, are you promoting anything, or what's the call to action or intention behind the content? Once you're clear on all this stuff, let's hop into step 2, engineering our prompt for ChatGPT. Here's the prompt you're gonna use. Act as an expert social media manager. Your job is to help me plan 4 weeks of content for my, and you're going to specify the industry you're in and the social media platform you're creating content for. My target audience is, you're going to specify that, and my account provides value by, you're going to insert here what you decided in step 1, the type of value. Please suggest content such as, here you're going to specify content ideas you like sharing, such as recipes, inspirational quotes, memes, dancing reels, whatever that may be for you, that will resonate with my target audience and have a high potential of going viral. Include different content formats such as, and specify the format of content you like creating, such as reels or carousels, for example. Organize each post's title in an Excel-like format. Reply with the table only. Each week has its own column. Post, and here specify the number of times per week that you'd like to post content. Make sure to promote my coaching services or product, whatever you're promoting, at least, and the number of times per week that you want to promote your content. Once you've decided on all the details for your prompt and you're ready to actually enter that prompt into ChatGPT, let's dive in and see the results we get from ChatGPT. So I'm inside ChatGPT now and I've copy and pasted that prompt that I walked you through just a minute ago. Act as an expert social media manager. Your job is to help me plan 4 weeks of content for my, I'm gonna change all the variables in this prompt. In this case, I'm gonna say my health and wellness Instagram account. My target audience is, and I'm going to say it's busy mums, and my account provides value by sharing useful tips and inspiration. Please suggest content types such as, this depends on what you like to share on your account. For example, recipes, inspirational stories, and quotes that will resonate with my target audience and have a high potential of going viral. Include different content formats such as, in this case, I'm gonna go for reels and carousels. Organize each post's title in an Excel-like format. Reply with the table only. Each week has its own column. And I'm gonna say I'm gonna post 3 times per week, making sure to promote my whatever product you have there. I've said coaching services in this case, at least once per week, because we don't want to go overboard and be too promotional. Let's hit enter and see what ChatGPT comes back with. Okay, as you can see, ChatGPT has replied back with our table and all the results, and it's given us 3 ideas per week for 4 weeks straight. Next steps I would take from here, step 3, is to take each idea one by one, like 1.1, quick and healthy breakfast, and ask ChatGPT, can you give me post ideas or content ideas for idea 1.1, quick and healthy breakfasts that I can share? Let's try that now. Okay, so I love this. In this idea that ChatGPT has called 5-minute healthy breakfast ideas for busy moms, ChatGPT gave us the 5 breakfast ideas, and it's also given us some instructions or ideas for how we could create this reel or format this reel. So it's saying we can showcase each recipe with a short video clip and then text overlay describing the ingredients and the steps involved. So I'm pretty happy with that idea. Final step, step 4, would be to then get ChatGPT to create the caption for us. And there we go, we've got the caption. So 4 simple steps to create 4 weeks of content in just a few minutes. Step 1, get clear on the fundamentals, those questions we went through at the beginning of the video. Step 2, get ChatGPT to reply back with all your ideas using some prompt engineering and giving ChatGPT lots of specificity and context. Step 3, get all the details and ideas for each individual posts all laid out. And then step 4, get ChatGPT to write your captions for you. I would then transfer all this information into a Google Doc and then set a day in my schedule when I'm going to batch create the content. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it's going to inspire you to just sit down and whiz through creating 4 weeks of content for your social media, your blog, your podcast, your YouTube, whatever that may be. If you enjoyed this video, I actually have a prompt pack full of over 1,300 incredible prompts just like this to help you with every aspect of your marketing, social media, building funnels, copywriting, writing emails, writing sales pages, everything. And that's all available inside my Limitless Marketing Prompt Pack. It's taken me months to put together, and every prompt is tried and tested. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link for you in the description below this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.